If you want to change the language in Gmail, you can do it in just a few clicks, and in this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. This is really useful if Gmail opened in the wrong language, if you want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, or if you're helping someone else set up their account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in to your Gmail account if you're prompted to do so. After you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Gmail keeps all of its main customization options. When the quick settings panel opens, click See All Settings. This takes you to the full Gmail settings page where you can adjust everything from your inbox layout to your signature, filters, and language preferences. Now, on the General tab, scroll through the settings until you find Gmail Display Language. This is the setting that controls the language used across the Gmail interface, including menus, labels, and buttons. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose your preferred language from the list. Gmail supports many different languages, so just pick the one you want to use. Once you've selected the new language, keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important because your language change won't apply until you save it. After Gmail reloads, the interface should appear in the language you selected, and that's it. You've successfully changed the Gmail language. It's a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if you want Gmail to feel easier to use and more familiar. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.